Hi guys, I'm here with the statistics of the tax deed surplus records that we sent to our clients this week. For week 46 of 2023, which includes the auction dates of November 11th through November 17th, we sent out 120 records with a total in surplus of $2,682,108.62. Let's take a closer look at these records. Here are the counties that are included on this week's surplus list, and the largest amount of surplus on the list is $180,461.73. And now I want to show you one of the spreadsheets that we give out so that you can see what information is contained on them. This is from week 44, and it's just a few records from that week. We certainly have a lot more than this every week. So on this spreadsheet, we of course have the week number, and we have the search ID, which I'm going to show you what this is for in just a moment. The county, the auction date, starting and ending bids, and the surplus. And then we have the tax deed number, the parcel number, and the physical address of the property that was just auctioned off. And then we have the owner information, their name, and their mailing address at the time of the auction. And then we have the lien information section. If you are on tax auction surplus, we tell you if there are liens, but we don't tell you what they are or how much they are. If you're on Surplus Database Pro, we actually research the liens. When you see a number like this with the slash, that is the book and page number that we look up on the official records website to find out the amount. Now, it just so happens none of these other records have liens on them, but if there are mortgages or judgments or HOA liens, we put the information as to how much is owed and to who it is owed and their address if possible. We put as much information as we can because you can go after them as potential clients as well. Now, back to the search ID. Along with a subscription on Tax Auction Surplus or Surplus Database Pro, you also get a membership to our third website, floridaoverbids.com. And on this website, if you go to Create Claim Packages, and you just put in that search ID and hit enter, and then click on the result, you will get a page that gives you all the information about that record, owner, property, auction information, and then depending on the route that you're going to go with your client, you would use the appropriate checklist. And whatever we have hyperlinked, we'll open that up, the assignment of interest, the claim form for this county, the W-9 form, etc. And then we have the information of where to mail the claim package and the county contact information. And if you click the PDF icon up at the top, it will open a PDF that you can print and use to keep yourself organized. If you are on Surplus Database Pro, along with the Excel list, we also give PDFs, documents that show the details about the liens. It's also on the Excel, but some people like the PDFs because there's one record per page and you can print it out to use and help organize yourself for your tracking purposes and to write on and make your notes. But I just wanted to show you on this record, here in the mortgage section, this is the book and page number of the mortgage. We looked it up in the original date and amount and who the lender is. So you could go after these people to put in a claim against the surplus for their mortgage lien. And then here's another one there's two judgments on it. $4,850 owed to Megan and Brandon Kramer, $14,000 owed to Donna Bloomer. These two people, you could help them go after the surplus. Now, any liens that are on the property, any lien holders, they have priority to get the surplus before the owner does. So you could actually try to go after these people first. If it doesn't work out, then you go after the owner and help them collect the surplus, which here is the owner information. This would be the previous property owner at the time of the auction, and they are the one that is owed the surplus. If you look in the description below the video, you will find links to download our benefits PDF that will show you all the benefits and gives examples and other videos that you can watch.